Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to stop auto launching application on Mac operating system. Sometimes you shut down your operating system and then again restart, and by default some application automatically launch, and this application is no required for the launching point of view. So how to stop and how to remove such kind of application? So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply, first of all, I will tell you two methods. If in your operating system Clean My Mac is available, so using this application you can stop launching application. Here, look at this here. Open this Clean My Mac application and optimization options are available. So 6 application default your instruction automatically open. So login item and launch item, so you can remove directly the launch item, and second remaining 2 application is available. If you have Clean My Mac, so you can select and remove. If you have no Clean My Mac, so second option come here in the system preferences. Inside the system preferences, user and group, first of all uncheck this one, put it your password and user, and here login item. Inside the login item, 2 application is by default open of my, so I select this one and then remove. The total application is removed, and if now I am restart the computer, so no application are automatically open here. It's very simple tips and tricks. You can do same process, remove auto launching application.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.